got this first order right away. It is a shop and deliver for alcohol. $16 going 9 miles, 2 items.
Morning.
Morning.
Finding anything?
In a second, yes. Oh, it's this right here.
No, that's the cab. The red blend I might be out of still. Yeah, I'm still out of the red blend.
Okay. I don't know if any of those are easy to find for you.
The Firefly Ridge, the red blend is right here. It's actually one of the hot deals, so it saves them money too.
And then just a scribble on that line for me. Next up, we've got a Starbucks, $11 going 6 miles.
Nina, what's the name on this? There's that for you. Thank you.
Oh, I just passed it. Whoops. It has been quite some time since my last order, but I finally got something. This is a Chick-fil-A, $8 going 2.5 miles.
Jeff or Craig?
There's that here for Lauren.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Feels like I haven't been to Chick-fil-A in like weeks, but looks like not much has changed. Still making me wait. It's been about 20 minutes now, just sitting around waiting. Is this gonna be one of those days where it's just really, really dead? Finally got an order. This is for a Voodoo Donut, $8 going 3 miles. Thank you.
Yeah.
You too. Oh no. Huh, okay. This is going to a hospital, but it says meet outside, luckily. Not seeing anybody outside. Not seeing anybody outside. There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good day. This order is not very good, but orders are few and far in between at the moment, so we're just taking it to stay busy. This is IHOP, $7 going 4.5 miles. Thank you.
Did you get ready?
No, she came in.
So we got some burgers up here, 2 and 2.
Yeah.
Burgers?
At least it was ready for me. Next order up, we are going to Chick-fil-A. This is $19 going 10 miles. This one is pretty high mileage and it's leaving me somewhere I don't want to be, but it is super dead, so maybe I'll get something on the way back, question mark. That, and there could be a hidden tip on it, so might be a good order, maybe.
I was just wondering about the straw.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Okay. Anyways, this is a strange order. It's like one small meal of like the nuggets or whatever, but it's got like 4 drinks on it, so they must really be craving sweet tea, I guess. I don't know. Okay, yeah, I think that it's pretty safe to say that today is super dead, so might as well just call it and enjoy the rest of the sunny day. Current time is 10:43. Current total is 63, and I think I have 1 Uber tip yet to come in, so that should bring it up to probably close to 70. Anyways, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Can I just do a chicken teriyaki bowl?
Sure.
To go, please.
So 1305.
Bye.